look like when it comes out? It doesn't look like it's about to fizz. When you put it in the water, it actually fizzes. Welcome to Corban's Fun Learning Adventures. Hi, welcome to Corban's Fun Adventures and Learning. And today we're going to be making a bath bomb.
All right, what do we need, Corban?
You need some water.
Okay.
You need cornstarch,
All right.
citric acid, baking soda, for oil.
That's jojoba oil, but you can also use olive oil or castor oil.
And tea tree oil.
Yeah, tea tree oil. That has a strong smell, so you could use another essential oil like lavender oil, so it's up to you. We have tea tree oil here, so that's what we're using today.
You need food coloring. We're going to make 2 bath bombs.
All right, food coloring.
You need a small cup.
Yep, small container there.
To mix these 2 together.
Okay.
You need a 1/4 a cup.
1/4 of a cup.
You need a 1/2 a cup.
1/2 of a cup.
You need a bowl.
Okay.
You need an egg carton.
Uh-huh.
And you need an egg. Here's the
Egg.
inside of it.
Yeah, and that's the Easter egg, and that's optional.
And there may be 2 toys.
Oh. I thought that was supposed to be our surprise.
Yeah.
Okay. And what about the Epsom salt there?
That's Epsom salt.
Yes, so we need some Epsom salt. So this is what you need for the do-it-yourself bath bomb. Are you ready to get started?
Yeah.
All right. All right, Corban, what's the first thing we're going to do?
First, we're going to put a 1/2 a cup of baking soda in.
All right, 1/2 a cup of baking soda in the bowl.
3, 2, 1. Ooh, wow, look at the smoke.
All right, let's see what's next.
And then we're gonna put a 1/4 a cup of Epsom salt.
All right, so that's a 1/4 a cup of Epsom salt. Put all the ingredients to the bath bomb in the description box. So what do we need next, Corban?
A 1/4 a cup of cornstarch.
All right, that's a 1/4 a cup of cornstarch.
Let's cut it off.
Yeah.
Oh.
All right.
It was stuck in there and then just like boom.
Yeah. All right, next, what do we have,
A
Corban?
1/4 a cup of citric acid.
All right, 1/4 a cup of citric acid.
And you may not think this is citric acid, but it is citric acid.
Yes, it is citric acid.
See?
Yes.
You got this online.
Yes, we got that online. And Corban is going to stir it. He's going to hold the bowl and stir very slowly.
So now
Okay, now Corban is going to put 3 teaspoons of jojoba oil in this small container here. But again, you could use castor oil or olive oil.
3.
All right, 1, pour it in. Okay.
1 down, 2 more to go.
Now we're gonna put a 1/2 teaspoon of tea tree oil in here. If you use another oil, you could do a full tablespoon. Like if you do lavender oil, you could do a full tablespoon because tea tree oil has a strong smell. So that's why we're only doing a 1/2 teaspoon. All right, let's go to the next step.
I'm gonna put the food coloring in here.
Yep, Corban's gonna add 6.
Drops of orange food coloring.
All right, 6 drops of orange food coloring.
Like little bubbles.
Yeah, because it's the oil. It's not mixing with the oil. All right, so let's go to the next step. All right, what's next, Corban?
Put water.
All right, we're gonna put 1 tablespoon of water into our liquid mixture here.
Oh, you spilled it in there.
Oh, that's okay.
What? Rice already? It doesn't look orange. It looks red.
It looks red.
Mm-hmm.
I think once we put it in the other mixture, it'll be fine. All right, let's go to the next step.
I put it in here.
All right, so Corbin just mixed this together with the spoon, so I'm going to pour a little bit in here at a time while he stirs. Remember to hold the bowl.
Yeah, because it's just a little bit so it doesn't fizz a lot.
Yeah, because if you put the whole thing in there, it's going to fizz because the citric acid is going to react with the baking soda.
Yeah, it's going to fizz.
All right, keep going.
You put a whole lot in there.
Stir, stir, stir. All right, this is the consistency that you would want after you've stirred everything. Now we're gonna start putting it in the egg. All right, so now Corbin is spooning the bath bomb mixture into his Easter egg.
Yeah.
And he might have a surprise in there. We'll see later. So you gotta watch the end of the video. You'll see what big surprise he puts in his egg. All right, this is our egg, and we're going to sit this and also something else, the egg carton, in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. But let's get started with the egg carton. All right, Corbin's gonna put some green food coloring.
It's my first time opening it.
Okay.
So I hope this comes out good. One and one.
All right, I think that's good.
Oh.
All right, and we're gonna mix it. And then after he mixes it, we'll go to the next step. All right, so this is what the solution looks like after Corbin put the green food coloring in there. And so now he is filling up each individual egg carton here with the bath bomb solution. So we're gonna get that done and we will be right back. So this is what it should look like after you put all the bath bomb solution into the egg cartons.
And look what my new binoculars.
Oh, Corbin made some new binoculars.
Paper towel.
Yes, with toilet rolls and tape. Yes. And so we're gonna pop this into the refrigerator for about 30 minutes and we will see you coming up.
Now I'm gonna open it up.
All right, now Corbin's gonna open the egg. We took him out of the refrigerator.
Now let's put it in.
All right.
Now you can see what toys inside.
Whoa, look at that.
Now, are you starting to see what toys inside? It has legs.
Yeah.
Whatever toy is inside, it has legs.
Look at that. It works perfectly, Corbin. Good job.
Whatever toy's inside has legs and it's sparkly.
Yeah.
I'll give you guys a hint. The hint is the PJ Masks character.
It's a PJ Masks character.
It's a ninja.
All right, so he's gonna put it in the bathtub. Let's see what happens. Whoa!
It broke apart!
I'm
so glad to stand over.
Are you gonna put another one in there?
Mm-hmm. It worked! Mind glow. Now let's run the air that freezes this. Get a spoon and tap as hard as you can on it and it'll come out like that. So let's put it in.
Whoa.
What, Mommy? No more. Thanks for watching our bath bomb video. Bye.